Hi, everyone. Dr. Dave here with Synergy Wellness to give you my favorite total hip replacement exercises. This is level 1. So, this is after your surgeon tells you you are free and clear to begin physical therapy. And you want to do level 1 for the first 3 to 4 weeks, depending on how you're progressing. And make sure you check out our level 2 total hip replacement exercises as well as level 3 total hip replacement exercises. And that'll get you through your rehab after you've had a total hip replacement. And before we get down to business though, please, if you get something out of these videos, make sure you hit that thumbs up. Feel free to comment. Also, don't forget to subscribe. We have 4 new videos that come out every week. Thanks for tuning in.
Lie on the bed. Stretch out your leg and press the back of your knee downwards until you feel your thigh muscles tighten. Lie on your back with your legs straight. Slide your affected foot in towards your bottom, bending your hip and knee. Keep your knee pointing to the ceiling and then slowly lower back to the start position. Relax and repeat. Lie on your back with your legs straight. Clench your buttocks together and hold this position. Relax and then repeat. Lie on your back with your legs straight and your toes pointing upwards. Move your affected leg out to the side as far as you comfortably can and then bring it slowly back into the start position. Do not allow this leg to cross the center line and keep your toes pointing upwards. Relax and repeat.